Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Dear students, today I am here with a new accountancy video of class 12th, and in this video we are going to discuss the next concept of chapter number 2, that is accounting for partnership firms fundamentals. The concept which we are going to discuss today is interest on partners loan to the firm. Dear students, हमारी फर्म में बहुत बार ऐसी सिचुएशंस होती हैं जब हमारी फर्म में जो फंड्स ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टेड है उनकी वो शॉर्ट ऑफ हो जाते हैं। तो इन दैट केस हमें उन फंड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करने के लिए हमें लोन लेना होता है। तो लोन लेने के लिए हम बाहर की तरफ जाने की बजाय हम पहले सोचते हैं कि पार्टनर से ही क्यों ना अरेंज हो जाए। तो इन दैट केस पार्टनर जो है वो फर्म को लोन प्रोवाइड करवा देता है। बट when a partner provides loan to the firm, then that loan will be considered as the liability of the firm, and the interest on that loan will be considered as the expense for the firm, and the expense will be considered as the compulsory expense। यानी एक पार्टनर ने फर्म को अगर लोन प्रोवाइड करवाया है तो उस लोन के ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट बनता है बच्चों वो एक कंपलसरी पेमेंट होगी फर्म के लिए। सो वी कैन से दैट द इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स लोन टू द फर्म विल बी कंसिडर्ड as the charge against profits of the firm। that interest will be the charge against profits of the firm। वो फर्म के प्रॉफिट्स पर एक चार्ज होगा। चार्ज मीन्स दैट विल बी अ कंपल्सरी पेमेंट फॉर द फर्म। वो फर्म के लिए एक कंपल्सरी पेमेंट होगा, और कंपल्सरी पेमेंट मीन्स इट हैज़ टू बी पेड, इट हैज़ टू बी पेड इन फुल whether there is profit और लॉस। चाहे हमारी फर्म में प्रॉफिट होगा या लॉस होगा वो आपको हर हालत में पे करना ही होगा। नाउ व्हाट इज़ द परसेंटेज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन। इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन की परसेंटेज क्या होगी? इट विल बी पेड एज पर द एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन द पार्टनर्स। जो परसेंटेज पार्टनर्स ने एग्रीमेंट में डिसाइड की होगी, द पार्टनर विल बी पेड इंटरेस्ट एट दैट रेट। if there is no agreement regarding the interest on loan, then the interest will be paid at the rate 6% per annum। 6% per annum. Here per annum means you will consider the date of loan, when the partner has provided loan to the firm you will consider the date, and the interest will be paid according to that date, according to the duration of the loan provided to the firm by the partner. Now when interest on loan is a compulsory payment for the firm and has to be paid in full whether there is profit or loss, so it will be recorded in profit and loss account and not the profit and loss appropriation account. It is different from the appropriation, so we will write it in profit and loss account. Which side? It will be debited because it is an expense for the firm, it is a payment for the firm, so it will be debited in profit and loss account. It is a compulsory payment, it is a charge against profits of the firm. Okay, now what is the treatment of interest on loan? We will prepare some journal entries. What will be the journal entries? Number 1, when loan is taken from partner. When the firm takes loan from partner, then what will be the entry for this? Bank account debit to partner's loan account. When the firm takes loan from the partner, then the firm will prepare the journal entry like bank account debit to partner's loan account, and the narration will be loan of rupees dash taken from dash, means from the partner. The name of the partner will be written here and the amount of loan will be written here. Now when the loan is taken, we will provide the interest on that loan at the end of the year. So the next entry will be for interest on loan, and for interest on loan there will be 2 entries. Number 1, second, when interest on loan is provided, there will be 2 entries. Number 1, first entry will be interest on loan account debit to partner's loan account. interest on loan account debit to partner's loan account. It means interest on loan is an expense for the firm, so it will be debited and it will be credited to partner's loan account. It means that partner's loan amount will be increased with the amount of interest. जो भी इंटरेस्ट हम पार्टनर को उसके लोन पर पे करेंगे उसे उसके लोन अकाउंट में ऐड कर दिया जाएगा और फाइनली हम लोन के साथ ही उस इंटरेस्ट की पेमेंट कर देंगे. सो देयर विल बी 2 एंट्रीज फॉर इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. फर्स्ट विल बी इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स लोन अकाउंट एंड द सेकेंड एंट्री will be first entry interest on loan is debited, then in second entry it will be credited. So entry will be, we will charge the amount of interest from profit and loss account and the entry will be profit and loss account debit to interest on loan account. Here narration will be interest on partner's loan provided. And in the next entry the narration will be, what will be the narration? The narration will be interest on partner's loan charged from profit and loss account. This entry says what? This entry says interest on loan is charged from profit and loss account. So students, you have to keep in mind that this is the treatment for interest on partner's loan to the firm. Here the loan has been provided by the partner to the firm and firm is paying interest to the partner. So whenever the firm is paying something, then that will be the expense for the firm, that will be the payment for the firm. So this is charge against profits of the firm. It is a compulsory payment and has to be paid in full whether there is profit and loss account. It is a compulsory payment, that's why we will write it in profit and loss account and it will be debited. Next, the journal entries in this case will be, first of all, when loan is provided by the partner to the firm, then the entry will be bank account debit to partner's loan account. And this entry says bank balance has been increased with the amount of loan and partner's loan has been created as a liability. Next, interest on loan is provided. The entry will be interest on loan account debit to partner's loan account. Interest on loan is an expense for the firm and partner's loan is the liability. This liability will be increased with the amount of interest on loan because this will be credited in this account. Next, when this interest on loan will be charged from profit and loss account, then the entry will be profit and loss account debit to interest on loan. So dear students, this was the case of interest on partner's loan to the firm. In the next video we shall discuss the further case. Thank you students. Have a nice day.